dumping a fucking battery. I'm standing in water.
Is anybody taping? Okay, good.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Go on the battery?
The truck.
You might want to go forward with the boat a little bit. Can you push it forward at all?
Go forward with the truck, he said.
What? You guys are pushing the boat. Stop pushing the boat.
Ready? I can move your feet if I were you.
I'm gonna lose my seat.
Oh, that's gonna...
I got nothing.
Is that gonna like kick up on us?
Ursa, how'd you do that?
I put it back almost near reverse.
Just still got a good connection.
I don't know. I fucking put my meter on when he turned the key and it stayed at a steady 12 volts.
Might be something not
I got mine.
I put it in almost the back position, like.
I don't want to go in reverse.
Dave, I'll throw that in the water.
I don't think it's that.
Let's see it try.
It is either.
Fuck.
It's pretty.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful boat.
It's in good shape.
I got one just like it.
Minus the hardware.
How's the starter? Well, let's jump.
Let's tap on the starter. Wow, that's good starter. Holy shit.
That is easier to get to than ours.
Huh?
Yeah, it's easier to get to. Your battery's definitely not dead.
It's up as high as I think it's going to go.
What the fuck's going on?
Is there something you gotta be